Good evening, everyone. It's Wynn Brown here. Heywood Healthcare's COVID-19 update for Wednesday, the 3rd of February, 3 days into our Expanse Go Live. Thank you for everybody working on that project across the health system to stand that up, and we're doing very well. Doesn't mean there's still not a lot of work to do, but we are doing a very good job across the board. So thank you, everyone. We have a photo embedded here of Sandy Wilshire, who is leading our Expanse Go Live. Picture taken of her February 1st at 3:58 a.m. as we went live, and she's been working tirelessly with very few hours of sleep every night. I've checked in with her daily, and I just thank her and the team that she's assembled for all they do. Also, a shout out to the Holyoke Hospital team, who is also on site helping us go live. We helped them go live at the end on October 1st, and they're back with us. And so it's a great partnership between our two independent community hospitals. I know a lot of you are thinking about the Super Bowl coming up this weekend. So have we. We at the senior team, we've been thinking about that as well. Obviously, we have Jeans for Greens Day on Friday, where you can wear jeans if allowed in your clinical or work areas, and that's $5, and that goes to support colleagues across the health system. We're also encouraging staff working Friday through Sunday to wear their favorite NFL apparel. I don't know if anybody's gone and bought Buccaneers gear or not in honor of Tom Brady, but we definitely salute and support the New England Patriots apparel that we all have. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the Patriots just a smidge later in this update. Just on COVID vaccinations, as you know, we're getting ready to ramp up in the community. We do have a community-wide vaccination clinic tomorrow, Thursday, at the Polish American Citizens Club. That is actually fully subscribed, so we don't have room for anybody else on that. But we are getting ready to hold twice weekly clinics there starting next week. Do not call us, please. We will put that information out. We're working with the city of Gardner to also have a call center set up. So thank you to Mayor Mike Nicholson and his team to help us do this. And again, this is regional, serving our entire region. And so even though this one is based in Gardner, and there might be some others in the future, this one is for everyone at the PACC. And thank you to the members of the PACC for really giving us that location to use to serve the community. Just another great group of individuals who want to make sure that our community has an opportunity to get vaccinated, and I want to give them a shout out as well. You can get the latest update on information about our vaccination clinics at heywood.org, atholhospital.org, and then of course we're on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter as well. So please just check those resources as we get ready to ramp up and get into a regular rhythm of things. And again, please be patient. Know that we are doing the best job we can in the midst of a pandemic with a new electronic medical go live, which I've told you before, you only in healthcare do once or twice in your whole professional career. I cannot tell you what a big heavy lift this is for us. So please don't, to the community anyway, please do not overwhelm us with your calls. We are going to communicate with you, and you will have the information, and we are dedicated to get to 1,000 vaccinations a day through our clinic that we're standing up. So that's to serve the 85,000 residents in our service area and beyond. So please be patient and support us as best you can, and know that we have your best interests at heart, doing all we can. I'm pleased to report, as you've probably been seeing on a statewide basis through the news and through these regular communications, that our inpatient COVID positive census has continued to trend downward. We have a total of 12 COVID positive patients at Heywood Hospital tonight, 3 of whom are in our ICU. So that number is well down from several weeks ago when we were at 30. So that is good. Our cumulative rate is 4.4%. It's been there for a little while, and the state is below us at 3.65. But our 7-day rolling average has come down to 6.19%. So trending in the right direction as well. Please don't go to any big Super Bowl parties. Just stay home, watch the Super Bowl with your family, and don't gather together so we don't get another micro spike. The state's 7-day rolling average is 3.44. And there's some overall data with you as well. So I mentioned earlier, you can wear your favorite NFL apparel. Heywood Hospital and Athol Hospital and the medical group were one of the health systems chosen by the Kraft family and the New England Patriots to send a COVID hero from Heywood to the Super Bowl on Sunday on the Patriots jet. There are 75 healthcare heroes from hospitals across the Commonwealth who have been selected. So we held a drawing, and Tammy LeClaire, Nora Salvadoros's executive assistant, did the drawing, and Patty Fleming from the ICU won it, and she has been obviously right there on the front line. So we're so very excited for her to fly down on Sunday and back on the Patriot jet with some of her fellow healthcare workers from across the Commonwealth. You can share this moment with her. We have a link to the Zoom we did with Mr. Kraft, who told her personally about it, and she was completely surprised. She didn't know why. She had been called in to Karen Oski's office and didn't know what was going on. And lo and behold, the trip of a lifetime for Patty Fleming from our ICU, representing Heywood proudly as we continue our journey to be one of the best community-owned health systems in America. Have a great evening, everyone.